Yeah. Welcome back. I'll show you what I've been working on. You know, we got these 10 new chickens and 2 turkeys. And I did this expansion on the Shamani coop and run. Did this expansion here. So now it needs an actual coop for the babies. So, at one of the local establishments, I saw this, pallet thingy laying in the back by the dumpster. Went and talked to the manager, see if I could have it. They said yes. So I'm turning it into a different kind of chicken coop. So what I'm looking at here is, this is going to be the ground floor right here. And that's going to butt up against that part. And the door is going to be at the bottom. So they'll come in at the bottom. And then there's going to be a ramp. I'm going to have to cut and make a ramp or some perch ladder to get up to the second story, which is here. And then I think what I'm going to do is remove a bunch of boards out of this one and make this a roosting area to just make this whole upper area. And that should hold about 10 to 12 birds, which is what we have. 12 birds. Well, 10 chickens and 2 turkeys. So we'll see how that works. And let's make the doors big enough. I don't know. We're going to figure that out too. So this is the start. And I'll show you as I keep moving along. Your marks, get set. All right. Well, phew, it is hot. I am officially drenched. Taking a break. Let the shade move over. But you can see I've wrapped the bottom all the way up and over the top. Let me show you what I've done. So, started at the front and put the chicken wire on this 2x4 and then sandwiched it, wrapped it around. See, it's coming down on either side. It's sandwiched between that engineered wood, which will be the last thing that touches the ground. Put some 2x4s in there and sandwich this board on here. Everything's wrapped around the sides, and I'm looking at how I want to do the bottom part, because I want the bottom part to be open and then solid up here. So that's what I'm working on. Probably open here, but solid up here. I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out. But basically, here you can see the room. The chickens can hop up in here and get up on this. I'll sand this all down. Probably put 2 roosting bars, one here and one here. So that way we can get 8 chickens, 8, 10 possibly. And I still need to remove a board or 2 here, or cut out boards like right here. Put the ramp in. So we'll check that out after we take a break. Get some water, cool off. So hey, see you soon.